morning, guys. Today I'm gonna do a quick haul. My friend gave this to me on my birthday, and she gave me this Ultra Beauty Super Blender. Yep. And next she gave me this superhero lashes. Actually, no, mascara, not lashes. Sorry, mascara. This one. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. And she also gave me this lashes. And she gave me the glue for lashes. What else is here? And of course, the wing liner. Wing It Out Aiku. Aiku? I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah, I like this liner. I mean, I like this eyeliner. It's easy to use, but it's so difficult to open. So like, I don't know. I don't have strength. Yeah, this is my whole strength. So difficult to open every time I open this. And she also gave me this what's it called? Velvet. She gave me this velvet liquid lipstick. I only used this once and I like it. I like the shades. The shades is Hula Neon. I don't know if this is the shades or what. It's a matte long lasting moisturizer. I really like it. And she also gave me this Relentless Matte Lip Crayon. Yeah, I think this is the shades 405 Winterberry. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. And she also gave me this brush. Yep, I already used this brush. I use this brush now, just for blending. And of course, she gave me this two Let It Glow and Peppermint Cocoa Mist. Since I love mist, I didn't use it yet, but yeah, gonna use it maybe tonight. The problem is I don't have moisturizer, so yeah, this is perfect for night, nighttime routine, while you want to relax and then you want your face, like to be calm, blah blah blah. Okay guys, that's my video for today, and hope keep on watching and subscribe on my video and comment below if you like it, or if you don't like it, yeah, just comment below. Thank you. Bye.